Hello, today I'm going to show you how to clean the drip tray of your Delonghi Magnifica coffee making machine. Let's have fun with this awesome video. Important: if the drip tray is not emptied regularly, the water could overflow from the edge and seep inside or around the machine. This could damage the machine, the surface it rests on, or the surrounding area. First step is open the machine's front gate. Then remove the drip tray and the ground container. Good job, we removed it. Now it's time to empty the dip tray and grounds more container. There it is. So much coffee dirt is inside now. So next step, go to the dip tray and remove it by pulling it upwards and get it in position for cleaning quest later. Now the time is to dip the ground container, and then we have to get the water out of it before we are going to clean it. There you can see the mechanism for indicates that this container is full with water. The indicator will come up if it's full, and you can see it's full, and you have to empty it easily as shown before. Now dip a little bit of water, of fresh water, on top to remove a little bit of dirt inside. Now the maximum cleaning quest has started. As you can see, use a little bit of dish soap and of course fresh cold water, and we are going to use hot water in combination with normally fresh water to make a comfortable water temperature. And in this water temperature we are going to clean our dip tray compartments with some action and a little bit of brush, as you can see, and of course of a sponge. Use the sponge for it, and after this float it a little bit with fresh water to remove the soap immediately. Now as you can see, it's so clean like new. Yeah, next step is the dip tray. There it is. It's a metallic part, and now it's cleaned. Nice and easy. Now replace the drip tray and grounds container. You can see this part, this has to be on top too, and you can only lock it by the right decision and the right lock position. Good job. Now enter it back. Oh, do not forget the drip tray, of course. You have to look in which area it has to be placed, because on the edge there is an edge on one side, on the other side is no edge. There you can see now it's perfectly fitted there. Good job. Now we are going to move it back in position. Easy as you can see. Job's done. They are reinstalled at the inside of the machine. Now close the gate and the drip tray cleaning process is job's done. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon.